Hello children, welcome to Act Sharda Public School's Digital Library. We are going to learn about parts of a plant. Through this class, you will be able to comprehend the different parts of a plant and describe the key concepts in your own words. Let us first look at the parts of a plant. They are roots, stem, leaves, fruits, flowers, and seeds. Let us look at each part in detail. Let us first look at the functions of the roots. The functions of the root is to hold the plant firmly in soil, absorb water and nutrients from soil, and store sugar or starch. There are basically two types of root system. They are taproot system and fibrous root system. Notice how the taproot has a middle thick portion while the fibrous root have all equally distributed. The taproot system is found in dicot plants, for example, carrots and beetroots, while the fibrous root system is found in monocot plants, example, grasses and onions. Let us now look at the functions of the stem. The function of the stem is to support the plant above the soil and to carry water and nutrients from roots to the different parts of a plant. Let us now look at the leaves. The functions of the leaf is to capture sunlight with the help of stomata. Stomata are small openings or pores in the underside of the leaves. They also help the plant to get oxygen through breathing. There are two types of arrangement of veins in the leaves. They are parallel venation and reticulate venation. Notice how the veins are parallelly arranged in the parallel venation, whereas the veins are branching in reticulate venation. The parallel venation occurs in monocots and they have long, slender leaves, whereas the reticulate venation occurs in dicots and they have broad leaves. The organs of transportation in leaves are the first one, xylem, which transports water from roots to the other parts of a plant, and phloem, which transports nutrients and minerals from roots to the other parts of a plant and back. The functions of the fruit is that it contains seeds and store food for developing plants. The seeds help the plant to reproduce. They help the new plants to develop by the germination of the seeds, and they serve as food and sources of oil. The flowers attract insects which help in pollination. They also help the seeds to grow and reproduce. Hope you understood this topic. Your home play for today is to join all the concepts and create a complete mind map in your drawing book and submit it to your subject teacher. Thank you.